We are back in the Laundry Lab, and I am pleased to say that today's episode of the Laundry Lab is brought to you by Tru Earth Eco Strips. I've been using Tru Earth for about 6 months and I absolutely love it, but more about them in a minute. Today's question comes from one of my viewers who asked, should I wash my new sheet sets before I use them? And I've got 4 reasons why that just might be a good idea. Reason number 1 is that whereas those sheets look nice and crisp in the store when you buy them, and we like that, I mean, after all, who wants to buy wrinkled up sheets? That crispness is caused by a spray starch or a sizing to give them that smooth finish. Well, the problem with that is that sometimes people complain of skin irritation or itchiness when sleeping on sheets that haven't been washed. So washing those sheets before you use them just might solve that problem. Reason number 2 is that the sheets have been packed and packaged in a factory and then sent to a distributor, and they may spend time in a warehouse on a warehouse shelf before they make it to your local store or online merchant. And these packages are not airtight, so they may have picked up a bug or 2. So washing your new sheets before you use them is probably a good idea, just in case you've picked up any unwelcome passengers. Reason number 3 is that there may be some residual factory smells or chemical smells. These odors and the sizing that bring about that new sheet feeling can prove to be allergenic. We've got lots of allergies in my family, and we take every opportunity we can to reduce chances of an allergic reaction. And whereas washing new sheets is a small thing, it can make a huge difference. What am I using to wash my new sheets? Tru Earth Eco Strips, safe for the environment and safe for my family. And they're so easy to use. They come in a square like this. You can tear it in half and use 1 strip for a regular size load, 2 strips for a large load, or you can tear it in half and use half a strip for a small load. There's nothing to measure and just so easy to use. I am loving the simplicity of it. Machine wash cold, gentle cycle, and the nice thing about Tru Earth is that it can be used in cold water. Tru Earth just makes it easy to use the right amount of detergent for your wash load. And whereas I prefer the Tru Earth Fresh Linen, you might prefer Tru Earth Baby. It is particularly suited for a little one's special needs, and it's fragrance-free. And of course, there's a fragrance-free version as well. But if you're dealing with men's dirty work clothes or my gardening clothes, then you might want to use the Fresh Linen Platinum, which is more suited for heavy duty or heavily soiled clothing. Regardless of which one you decide to use, Tru Earth will leave your clothes clean and smelling fresh. And if you wonder if Tru Earth has more than laundry detergent in their product lineup, the answer to that question is yes, including the dryer balls that I'm going to use for today's wash to reduce static electricity and to help soften. And reason number 4 as to whether or not you should wash those new sheets before you use them is who doesn't love the smell of fresh washed linen? So wash those new sheets before you put them on your bed. Check out Tru Earth for yourself. I will put their link in the description box, and they've been kind enough to give me a discount code so that my viewers can get 10% off on their first order. It is DJ10. So use DJ10 and you can get 10% off on your first order. What are your laundry challenges? Tell me in the comment section below, and maybe next time we're in the laundry lab, I'll be answering one of your laundry questions. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying you are not done yet. Click on the link in the description box and check out Tru Earth and use my discount code DJ10 to get 10% off on your first order. And I will see you next time.